You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Tons more, many more at the end of this video. Two slightly different pronunciations in English. The British English pronunciation, enigma, with an E sound, a short E sound at the beginning. Enigma. The stress is on the second syllable, enigma. The last ma is a schwa sound, not a ma, but a m. Enigma. In American English and elsewhere, in the US and elsewhere, it's often also pronounced as enigma, with an sound, a schwa sound at the beginning. So two different pronunciations in English, to be clear. Enigma or enigma. Those two are correct pronunciations. Easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.